guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, as you can see by the title, it's a Christmas haul. I'm going to be showing you some items that I got for the holidays and also some random items. Excuse how I'm looking, but if you follow me on Instagram, then you know I just got home from shopping. I spent the whole Sunday shopping, you guys. And then I was like, you know what, let me do a little haul for them because I usually start putting things away or using them and then I never show you guys. Today I decided to sit down straight out of Home Goods and just record this video for Home Goods. And if you hear a lot of background noise, just know it's the holidays and I have family over, so it's really hard for me to record. I'm not gonna be asking people, please be quiet all the time. First item I wanna show you from Home Goods are these beautiful candle holders. You guys, I was on the hunt for this ever since I saw it on, I don't know if it was Christy or I think it was Christy Mel's Shop With Me, and this reminded me so much of the one in Sea Gallery. I was like, I'm gonna go ahead and pick them up if I see them at the store. So I picked up this one. It was $24.99, the big one, and there's like a bigger one from this, but I only picked this one. And then I picked up a smaller version for $16.99. They're so pretty. And I also got candles to go with it. So I picked up these two candles. They're really, really pretty. The big one was $7.99 and it's like gray. And this one was $5.99. Goes inside. See how pretty that looks? It looks so nice. I also picked up this really cute bowl from Home Goods. It was $9.99 and I picked up in the small version as well for $5.99. I just think it's cute, especially if you're entertaining or hosting to kind of display your food or something like that. So I picked that up. I thought it was just so cute. What do you guys think? Tray, you guys, how gorgeous is this? I am so happy with this. This was $29.99 and it's a 2-tier stand, and then it has all the blinked right here at the top and on the rim as well. Super, super, super pretty. I picked up this case stand with the blinked out topper as well, and this one was $19.99. And it's so cute. You guys know I'm all about that glitter. I picked up these beautiful coasters that were $5.99, and they are glitter coasters. That's just glitter. They just look cute. I also picked up these beautiful bowls. Look how pretty, you guys. I don't know if you guys can see it on the camera, but they have glitter inside, and then the outside of it, it's matte white. It's so, so cute. It's like a pearl white, so it goes perfect with my winter Wonder Glam theme, and it was $3.99, so I picked up 6 of this. So I found the cutest set of measuring cups, you guys. How gorgeous are they? I love the gold detail with the marble. You guys know I'm obsessed with that look, and this was $14.99. I also picked up the measuring spoons matching the set. Cake cutter was $3.99. So cute this year. I thought this was so cute, and these are hot cocoa syrups, and it comes with creme brulee, cookies and cream, peppermint, and salted caramel, and I think the size was just perfect, so I picked this up. I thought it was just so cute, but this is also super cute for gifting. This was $4.99, you guys. I picked up this really nice blend out cocktail picks. I just thought that was so cute, you know, the bling, 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 bling all over the place. This was $3.99, you guys. Look at this beauty. It's so cute. It's from Tahari Home. Only able to find 4, so that means I'm still on the hunt to find 2 more so I could make my set of 6. So yeah, this is how they look, and I think they were super cute. So I found the cutest table runner, you guys. Look at this beauty. Look at those colors with the little sequin details over here. It is just so cute. And this runner, you guys, was $24.99. Betsy Ann here, she has a YouTube channel, I believe, but on Instagram she posted these pillows that looks just like this, and I told her, oh my god, I'm gonna screenshot them because I need that in my life. I never found the pillows. I really hope I find those pillows, so you know what I mean. So I found the cutest little blanked out icy type of Christmas tree, like, you know, like beaded ice. I don't know what you call this, but it's so cute. It's a little Christmas tree, and I thought since I'm going with the crystals and stuff like that, this will be perfect for my theme. But it comes out a lot. It has a lot of fallout. That's the only bad part, and this was $16.99, you guys. Last item I picked up from Home Goods is this really pretty champagne glass, and it was $3.99, you guys, and I think it's so cute. I don't know if you could see that it's all silver and that it kind of like fades into the top. It is so cute, and I picked up 4 of this. I've been complaining of the quality of the audio in some of my videos, Also, I noticed the quality was bad, and then Jaden broke my mic. So guess what? We have a new mic. Here it is. I got the Jetty, and this I ordered on Black Friday from Amazon, and it came out to $89, and the regular price is like $127 or something like that. So yeah, let's see how this works. I hope you guys like it. I hope I like it. On to Marshall's right now. I finally found the pom-poms throws, you guys, and Christy have hauled this on one of her recent hauls, I think, or I'm not sure, but I know she has this at home at her house. So I found it on grade at Marshall's. This was $16.99, and it's so soft, and then it has the little pom-poms at the bottom. I was dying for this for the longest, and I finally came across them. I got it on white as well. So here's the white one. This is how it looks. This is the white one, and then again with the little pom-poms. So this is so cute. Marshalls, I also picked up this table runner, and this one is all sequin, and it was $12.99, so I thought it was a good deal. So I was like, you know what, let me pick that up, and it's super cute. So this year, you guys, I'm having the hardest time finding nice pillows for the holidays. Everything is pretty much red or that blush pink or the pink, and that's not going with my theme. I haven't really found a pillow that I love. First pillow I want to show you is this one. It's like a velvet material, and then it says married on top, on the front of the pillow, I mean. And it was $19.99 on Marshall, and it's so cute. It blinked out. But then again, I don't find any other pillows that I would like for my sofa. So yeah, the other pillow I found on Marshall was this one. It's so cute, and it says baby it's cold outside. I like that it's in the, you know, with the grades and silvers and stuff like that, but this is still not what I really wanted for the living room. So I'm just, you know, hoping I could find something. So Cyber Monday I would check online to see what I come across. If you saw my table setting video, then you've seen this. It's this really nice crystal little cup or bowl thingy. I don't know what you want to call this, but it was $12.99, and I picked up 2 of them. It's so blinked. I think it was just so cute to just, you know, pass on. So now I'm going to show you a few items that I picked up at Burlington, starting with this beautiful crystal candle holders. And if you saw my table setting video, again, you've seen this. They're so pretty, and I know a lot of you guys had questions about them, and they're handcrafted crystal. And this one was $14.99 at Burlington, the small one, and then the big one, which I got 2 of the big ones, was $19.99. Picked up this really nice lamp, and this one is gonna go in my bedroom. I picked up 2 of these, and I think they were $38.99 if I'm not mistaken. I took the price tag already, I forgot, but it's just a white shade on top, and then like the little crystal detail with the silver. So I really like this, and I will show you how they look on my bedroom pretty soon. So another item I want to show you is this cool projector, and it's a water wave projector, and this is like a light that you could use outdoors, or you could actually use it inside of your home. This is how it looks, and it connects to the power, obviously, and then you could just project this either on your wall. The coolest thing is that it comes with all these little discs that you could change it throughout the season for every holiday, like Halloween, like 4th of July, stuff like that, Valentine's Day. And it also comes with a control remote, you guys. So for the price, I think this was pretty cool. And it also comes with the mount, so you can mount it outside of your home or inside of your home. So I thought this was super cool. Send it to me by the company. So yeah, I will give you guys all the information below in case you guys want to grab this baby right here. It looks super nice on, trust me. So guys, that was everything for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my little haul. I hope you saw some items that you might be interested in purchasing for yourself. But yeah, I just wanted to kind of share this with you because I know a lot of you guys have been asking me for a haul. So here's my haul. Excuse how I'm looking again, and thanks a lot for watching. See you on the next one. God bless you guys.